When George Lubel, Carl Everett, and Daniel Byer saw their success in the Fort Worth Osteopathic Hospital, they came together with a new mission to meet the healthcare needs of Texas by creating the state's first osteopathic medical school. This idea became reality when Ray Stokes, first Director of Development, was hired to raise visibility and funds in 1969. Early the next year, Dr. Henry Hart was hired as the first Dean of the Texas College of Osteopathic Medicine. He recruited faculty and students, 20 students who would face an untried faculty with an untried curriculum in a rented space, an uncertain future.
As the first and only female in the first class at TCOM, it was an exciting time, a little bit stressful, but for my part, I felt that the school would succeed. Others thought we would have 2 years and then we'd have to move off to one of the other osteopathic schools. But that didn't really slow the progress of the school. It was moving rapidly to add students every year, to add faculty. Nearing my 75th birthday, I will be retiring this year, but I still hope to be involved in some way with patients.
That first class met on the 5th floor of the hospital. By the next year, the school had moved to a new home, a former bowling alley across the street, which was converted into classrooms and labs, including one for anatomy. 4 years later, in 1974, the first 18 students graduated from TCOM. College administrators received state funding and new governance under North Texas State University. This relationship would evolve over the next 20 years. And in 1993, with the addition of the Graduate School of Biomedical Science, the institution's name was officially changed to the University of North Texas Health Science Center. The growth has only continued since. In 1997, the School of Public Health was established and the first students entered the Physician Assistant Studies program. 2 years later, the Health Science Center joined the UNT system. The School of Health Professions was established in 2004, which now includes the Physician Assistant Studies program, and the latest addition, the Physical Therapy program, was added to the Health Science Center in 2010.
I chose the Health Science Center because I wanted to be in a small, nurturing environment where I could work closely with faculty and staff on enriching my education and getting involved both in the classroom and out in the community with public health. I really enjoyed the health disparities research and the opportunities that it provided to attend conferences and professional development seminars in areas that I was interested in. We worked on several health fairs that go on around the community and were able to collaborate with both TCOM and the PA school and provide different services that were necessary within the Tarrant County and Fort Worth community.
Today, the UNT Health Science Center continues to meet the healthcare needs of Texas and beyond. With academic innovation, cutting-edge research, and patient care. Collectively, the Health Science Center offers 9 graduate degree programs through 4 schools. The Texas College of Osteopathic Medicine, the only Texas medical school to offer osteopathic training, remains the UNT Health Science Center's cornerstone. With its innovative curriculum, commitment to student success, and outstanding student performance in the classroom, clinics, and community, TCOM graduates the highest percentage of primary care physicians of any Texas medical school and is consistently named one of the top medical schools in the nation for primary care by U.S. News and World Report magazine.
As the Health Science Center's founding school, TCOM has accepted its leadership role and has aggressively sought to imbue in each of the other schools the same qualities, the same drive, the same pioneering spirit to grow and to grow on behalf of the citizens of Texas, on behalf of the community, on behalf of its students and alumni, its faculty and its staff. Those qualities will continue to move forward into successive generations so that this growth continues and remain a critical asset to the people of the state.
At the Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences, home to state-of-the-art research facilities and one of the most diverse student bodies in the state, students earn PhD and Master of Science degrees while working side by side with world-renowned faculty researchers to solve some of today's most important health problems. At the School of Public Health, today one of only 44 in the United States accredited by the Council on Education for Public Health, students learn to recognize the social, economic, and environmental factors that affect health in the community, and gain the knowledge to take leading roles in developing policies that encourage and foster healthy communities. The campus's newest school, the School of Health Professions, houses the Physician Assistant Studies program as well as the new Physical Therapy program to meet the growing demand for well-trained, non-physician health professionals. The school's new Physical Therapy program launches this year to offer the Doctor of Physical Therapy degree. Research at the Health Science Center is seen as a prerequisite for a national reputation, a must-have experience for student learning, a critical source of funding for the organization, and a catalyst for new internal and external partnerships. Areas of faculty research include aging and Alzheimer's disease research and investigative genetics. The Health Science Center leads all Texas health science centers in research growth. The UNT Health Science Center provides medical services to the Tarrant County community through UNT Health, the largest multi-specialty group practice in Tarrant County. This physicians group now has more than 600,000 annual patient visits, delivers 7,000 babies, and has 40 clinics throughout Tarrant County. The Health Science Center continues to build on its past for the future. Its focus on transforming healthcare extends to the construction of new facilities for our Institute for Forensic Genetics, also known as the DNA Lab, to expand clinical research into preventing disease, illness, and pain. To accommodate a growing student body, the Health Science Center is completing the new Medical Education and Training Building, as well as the final phase of the Center for Biohealth Building. With recent changes in healthcare management and organization, we are poised to take advantage of the crushing need for primary care physicians, biomedical researchers, physician assistants, and physical therapists. The new federal guidelines pressing for medical homes and sharing of electronic medical records are fueling our growth. Our newest clinic in North Tarrant County's Alliance Corridor will make more primary care physicians, obstetricians, and pediatricians available to help people in the fastest growing area of Tarrant County.
Standing on the shoulders of our founders, the UNT Health Science Center has experienced tremendous growth and development over the last 40 years. Our 5-year strategic plan shows us to grow to 2,350 students in 5 schools. Our research programs will continue to grow to exceed $55 million over the next 5 years. And our patient visits are expected to exceed 1 million patient visits, again to support the healthcare needs of this community as we continue the next 40 years of our journey. As we work together in the Fort Worth way, we will continue to support the healthcare needs of Fort Worth, Tarrant County, and the state of Texas.
The UNT Health Science Center continues its history of community commitment through its role as medical sponsor of the Cowtown Marathon and Races, the Dallas Community Gardens, and student volunteer opportunities at the Fort Worth Day Resource Center and the Hispanic Wellness Fair. Our next 40 years will be exciting as the Health Science Center builds on a foundation of innovations, commitment, and teaching in its quest to build a healthy future, just as Mavericks began 40 years ago.